guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys with me to the gym. It's a lower body workout session. I'm gonna be focused on the booty. If you know me, you know I've been trying to grow my booty for the longest time, but I haven't been consistent, so it's time for me to be consistent. So I gotta grow that booty no matter what. I'm bringing you guys with me. I know a lot of people want to go to the gym, they don't know exactly what to do. There's a lot of equipment and it could be intimidating. I know, because I was one of those. I'm here to hopefully help you guys, kind of give you guys a kind of idea of what I do when I come to the gym. And again, it's not always the same. You focus on different muscle groups. Today is going to be lower body because it's my favorite. So hopefully you get something out of this video. It's already a little bit later in the day. It's around 11 a.m. and I'm looking a little rough because I haven't done anything to my face. I don't wear makeup to the gym most of the time unless I came from somewhere that I was wearing makeup. If not, I don't even bother because I'm gonna sweat it off anyways. I had an avocado toast, and that's something very light. That's not gonna be, I'm not gonna be too full to have the workout. And I'm having this Celsius, which is my absolute favorite. It's their newest flavor, and it's the peach vibe. It tastes like those peach gummy rings. I don't know if you guys have tried it, but it tastes just like that. And this is gonna give me the perfect energy to go through this workout right now. Also, I forgot my cute mask, and I found this one in my car, and I'm gonna have to be wearing this all over the gym. Also, I forgot my hair tie, so my hair is gonna be all over the place. I wasn't really prepared for this video, but I wanted to take time and do it for you guys. Also, I'm gonna be recording myself, so hopefully it works out. I have no one to record me today, and hopefully I can find the angles. I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna go in. So this is the waist trainer that I use. I'm gonna have a little link in the description box.
Alright guys, so let's start with the workout. I usually like to warm up in the Stairmaster. I do like a level 5 or 7 just to warm up and start heating up my body. And usually lately I only do 15 minutes because I don't want to, you know, burn out doing cardio. By the way, I already stretched before this. Okay, so the first two machines that I'll be using is this leg press and this extension for the booty. So you're gonna see how I'm gonna start with the lightest weight, and I'm gonna just basically warm up for this first set. I'm gonna do as many as I can. I think in this one I did like 30, and it was only like I think 60 pounds. So here I just want to adjust because obviously we're all different sizes. And a quick tip for this, make sure you don't lock your knees. That's very important. And just, you know, go and try and do as many as you can just to warm up and get your muscles ready. Alright, now I'm gonna switch to this other machine. Of course, we have to clean every time we use a machine, very important. And I'm gonna again start with lighter weight and do as many reps as I can for the first round. Alright, I'm moving back to the leg press machine, and I'm gonna go to 110 pounds. And this is how I usually like to arrange my workouts. If both machines are taken, or if only one's available, I do all of my sets in one machine and then move to the next one. But when I have both available, I like to switch off to kind of give my legs a break from that machine. And again, obviously the more weight you increase, the less repetitions you're gonna do. So I'm going back to this other machine, and I'm gonna increase the weight, and I'm gonna do less. I believe I did about 10 to 12. You want to do slow and controlled motions. I know it looks like I'm doing it faster, but I'm just fast forwarding the video just for the sake of not being so long. And here again, I'm moving to the other machine. I'm increasing my weight, and I'm doing less reps. I'm taking a little break because, guys, I am tired. This is, the heavier you go, the harder it is. but it feels good. I like to feel that type of pain. So going back to this one again, I increased to the heaviest. I think I only did about 6 to 8, and it's just getting harder and harder. All right. Okay, I'm stretching my legs a little bit because I'm going to do a last set of this leg press. I'm doing 230 pounds, which is how much I used to weigh before I started my weight loss journey. So my goal is to do 10. Let's see if I can do it. I'm going to try my hardest. I know it's heavy for me, and I know that I can do it, and it's going to be hard, but I just want to get it over with. And boom, I finished my 10 reps. All right, so moving on to this Smith machine. If you don't have a Smith machine at your gym, you can use a regular squat bar or just a regular bar to do these moves. We're gonna do squats. These are just regular squats with no weight. I just want to kind of warm up and show you guys the moves that we're gonna be doing. We're gonna do 3 different workouts, which is the squat, then we're gonna do a lunge with a lift on each side. And since it's just a warm-up with no weight, I'm just doing, you know, just not any specific amount. And then we're going to do lunge pulses. These are going to burn, especially after those workouts, but we can do it. All right, so now that I did all those 3 workouts with no weight, I'm going to add my first weight, which is not too heavy. It's only 10 pounds per side. And I'm going to start again with my squats. Don't forget to go as slow as you can, and to squeeze that booty because it's the key for the squats. And then we're gonna move on to the next 2 workouts. So for this one, just do as many as you can. All right, moving on to the second one again, to the single leg lunge with a lift. Again, do as many as you can. These honestly are pretty hard, so if you're a beginner, don't feel bad if you can't do them. Try to practice without weight because you do require a lot of balance. Okay, now we're gonna do the leg pulses, and we're gonna do one side at a time. Again, this is not that easy, but you can do it. I know this is gonna work, so just push it through. And I repeated all these workouts 4 times. I'm not showing you guys here everything because obviously you guys get the point of the 3 different workouts that we're doing. So here again, it's going to be increasing the weight. I'm doing 25 pounds and I'm doing my squats again. Very important tip for squats. Make sure you're pretending like you're sitting on a chair and you maintain your back straight. Your knees don't pass your toes to avoid injury, and squeeze that booty. All right, so now I'm moving on to this next hip extension. Is one of my favorites because I just love the way it works. It's mostly for like the outer part of the booty, and I feel like it helps me a lot with my cellulite, so I really enjoy doing this workout. I know it looks very awkward, but you know, you gotta do what you gotta do. So here again, I'm using the same method, starting light and then increasing my weight as I go. And again, we're just burning out. And in between sets, I do like to do some jump squats, which you guys are gonna see in a few seconds, just to avoid, you know, getting cold and just sitting there and not wanting to continue with your workout. So again, I'm increasing my weight, and you guys get the point. Okay, so for my last workout, just to burn out even more, I'm doing these kettlebell squats, which are gonna burn so much. I'm using a very heavy weight, and I'm just doing as many as I can. Again, same tips, squeeze that booty and just push it through as your last workout. By the way, I repeated every workout 4 times. All right, so I'm just cooling down, stretching my muscles to avoid a lot of soreness. By the way, I did these stretches at the beginning that you guys didn't see, but it's very super important to stretch. And you did amazing. Be proud of yourself. You did a very great job.
Woo! Guys, I am done with today's workout. I'm sweating so much, but I know it was a good workout. I pushed myself, and I was happy because it wasn't as packed, which is why I had the chance to use many different machines. Sometimes it's so packed that I have to figure out a way to, you know, complete my workout, but today it was just perfect. So hopefully this video helped you guys and you guys got some idea of how I arrange my workouts or how I work out. Obviously it's not the same all the time, but if you don't have a gym or you don't want to go to the gym, you just want to do home workouts, that is completely fine. There's plenty of workouts you can do at home. And if you didn't know, I do have workout programs. I'm going to leave my link below to my website where you can find those programs, and hopefully they help you guys. So please support me, and I love you guys so much as always. Please follow me on Instagram. It's FitSussie. I post daily there, a lot of workouts, what I eat, and just random videos. So hopefully we can be friends there. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. If this video helped you, please share it and give it a like. And remember that you are beautiful, you are strong, and also remember to do what's right, not what's easy. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.